Hello everyone and welcome to Vietnamese home cooking. Today I will show you how I cook beef stew pho at home. This recipe will not be that complicated if you follow step by step like in this video. I guarantee you will be very satisfied with the taste of this dish. Normally, beef stew will go really well with the bread. But with this homemade recipe, the best choice is to serve it with pho noodles. Now, let's go over with all the ingredients. First is the carrot, daikon, oyster mushroom, basil, cilantro, lime, lemongrass, rock sugar, shallot, onion. We have beef shank, beef flank, sugar, pepper, mushroom seasoning, chili powder, fish sauce, olive oil, salt, beef stew seasoning, and of course pho noodles. Okay, let's start. To avoid too much of the cleaning up afterward, I will prepare everything in order. Let's get the lime out of the way first. Cut the cilantro into small pieces. Same with the Thai basil. Cut the onion in half, then slice only half of it for garnish later on. The other half cut into small wedges. Cut the oyster mushroom into bite-sized pieces. Same with the daikon radish. Chop up the shallot and soak it into 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of mushroom seasoning, half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Let's prepare the meat. Cut the beef shank into 2/3 of an inch. The beef flank is kind of flat, so just cut it into bite-sized pieces. To marinate the meat, add 2 tablespoons of beef stew seasoning and 4 tablespoons of the fish sauce mixture that we made earlier. Smash the lemongrass and add into the meat as well and mix them well together. Then let the meat rest for at least 15 minutes and it's ready to be cooked. Heat up a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a pot. Add in 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Stir for 6 to 7 seconds and add in the meat. Stir fry the meat for about 5 minutes, then add in about 1 gallon of hot boiled water. Add in a piece of rock sugar. Bring to boil, then reduce the temperature to low and simmer for 35 minutes with lid on. After 35 minutes, add in the rest of the seasoning mixture. It's time to add in the carrots and the daikon radish. Put the lid back on and continue to simmer for another 15 minutes. If a chopstick can run through the meat, then it's time to add in the oyster mushroom. Put the lid back on again and cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, add in the onion and turn off the stove. That's it. Now we have a pot of delicious beef stew for the family. All we have to do now is to prepare the noodles and ready to enjoy. This beef stew tastes incredibly delicious with phở noodles. Thank you for watching Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your valuable comments below. See you next time. Bye.